store very busy. Or can turn the music up and down. iPhone 11 Pro. This is all the Macs. This is a Apple store. Beautiful. You can see the Apple on the back. But this is a very cool store and very nice store. Apple. I love the way Apple designed their. There we go, guys. This is a MacBook Pro. It's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Slightly thin. One of the new ProBook out there. It's very nice, and you can see the bar. You can turn the music up and down. It's got all the bar for the tool. It's currently $12.99. It's $1,300, but that's a 13-inch. And if you go from step above, and that will be the next one, which will be 16-inch MacBook Pro. One of the powerful computer out there. You can also see the comparison with the different prices. This one is $2,399, 2.6 Intel Core i7, 16 GB RAM. But the problem is 12 GB as 512 GB is the hard drive or solid state drive. But if you go to step up, which will be $2,799, which is like around about like $2,800 computer. So that's it. So it is one of the new computer out there, but new one they haven't produced yet. But hopefully new one will be out. It's 2020. I think usually they bring it out like around September. So we are a couple months away from September. So you know, it's March. So still trying to get at this.
Almost like a warehouse.
And they got iPhones new. So this is iPhone 11 Pro, which is a price right now is $1,099, which is $1,100 starting price. And also this is one of the newest phone out there in 2020. The new phone will come out in September, but this is a new phone right now in the market. Explorer 11 Pro Max. This is a Max. That's the reason it's $1,100. And you can also compare it with the other phones like 11 Pro phone, and the starting price you can also see. So in the United States, totally things works differently versus in Pakistan or India or Brazil, some other countries. Brazil. So this is all the Macs. Then there is an iPhone Pro, iPhone 11.
तो उम्मीद यही करता हूँ कि आपको इस वीडियो से बहुत सा नहीं तो थोड़ा सा तो जरूर फायदा हुआ होगा। अगर हुआ है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, हो सके तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर जरूर करना। तो अगर आप हाउ टू चैनल को फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट लाल वाला बटन। ऐसे में जो है हम कीप इन टच रहेंगे, मेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस जो है वो आपको मिलती रहेंगी। उम्मीद करता है एक नई वीडियो में होगी मुलाकात। तब तक के लिए चाहता आप सब लोगों से इजाजत। गॉड ब्लेस यू।